What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when your iPhone sound or music volume is low. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The low volume issue can be caused by different software or hardware related issues, and we will first of all take a look at your iPhone settings to make sure that your device is not faulty. Navigate to Sound and Haptics. Under Headphone Audio, tap on Headphone Safety. You have the option to disable the Reduce Loud Sounds option, which is meant to protect your hearing when wearing headphones by measuring your headphone audio levels while listening to music or while in a call, for example. You can disable this option to see if it makes a difference, but it's suggested to leave it enabled for most users, as it should not reduce your overall volume by much. Back in your Sound and Haptic settings, you have the option to change your ringer and alerts volume. Be sure to play around with this option until you find the optimal volume. Depending on which iOS version you are using, you might have bugs or other software-related issues which could lower your overall device volume. In your general settings, tap on Software Update. Here, make sure to download and install the latest update. Installing the latest update will in turn also restart your device, which will restart all processes and can fix sound problems on your iPhone. If the problem is not caused by your device settings, then make sure to open up the application where your audio is too low. In this example, I will choose Spotify. Head to your Spotify settings when tapping on the gear icon on the top right. From here, tap on Playback. This option might be grayed out if you're listening to music on Spotify using another device with the same account. In your playback settings, you have the option to set your overall volume level to quiet, normal or loud. It should be set to normal by default, but loud might suit you best depending on which audio output device you are using. Apple Music users should enable the Sound Check option. Back in your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Music. Here, under Audio, make sure to enable Sound Check. Your iPhone will then detect if a track has low volume levels, and it will then dynamically adjust and compensate for the low volume when listening to music on your iPhone. Otherwise, the problem could also be related to your hardware. Make sure to take off your iPhone case and screen protectors. You should then proceed to clear your speaker openings with a small brush to see if there's any debris blocking the audio output of your device. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.